So you may not see what is going on here because it's dark, but we have these two speakers right here. I'm going to do a sound test. You can't see that much of me because I'm focusing on the speakers. Try to make it a little more long. That's the farthest it gets. So I'm gonna play a bass tone, bass music called, I don't know, I can say this, just From Stars Love, and just search bass test. That's what I'm gonna say, because the song is a cuss word, and I did cuss it sometimes, but no, not today. So I'm gonna, yeah. Enjoy the bass test. I'm gonna enter the bass.